Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to create a crypto wallet. We're gonna use the MetaMask wallet. If you are using mobile, install the wallet or MetaMask wallet app from the official sources like Google Play or App Store. If you are using desktop, just go to the official website of the wallet provider and download the browser extension for MetaMask. Open the MetaMask extension or app and select Create a new wallet. You'll typically be prompted to agree to terms and conditions. After agreeing, just follow the prompts to create your wallet. Choose a strong password to protect your wallet from unauthorized access. This password will be used to access the app locally and encrypt the data. Make sure the password is unique, combining letters, numbers, and special characters. Just be sure that the app will generate a 12 to 24 word seed phrase. Write this down on paper immediately. Do not store it digitally, and this phrase is the only way to recover your wallet. To add funds to your wallet, you can either transfer crypto from an exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken to your wallet's address. Alternatively, some wallets, including MetaMask, allow on-ramping services that you let purchase crypto using a credit card or bank payments. And that's it guys, your wallet is ready. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.